would have to give him some time. He's mobility challenged. Not for bad reasons, just for awesome costume reasons. And he's actually going to be coming in front, so if anybody wants a picture of him, get your cameras ready and stand up a little bit. That also applies to any of our other cosplayers that come up. Be sure to just take photos as you like. Flash doesn't matter here because there is lighting, so feel free to take as many photos as you like, okay guys? I've got another villain for you. Come a little closer to the front, please, Megazord. Go actually in front of the stage if you can, like around. Is that possible? No? Yeah, no? What do you get when you make a new Zord? A whole bunch of kids that are totally not bored. Why the ones that are made of cars and trucks work a lot better. They got wheels.